So we're going to go through the whole ukemi no waza. First, we have Ushiro or Koho ukemi. Interchangeable. Don't ask me why. It's just a different word. Koho no ukemi, Ushiro no ukemi. Falling backwards. Falling backwards as you're moving back, as you're moving to the side, falling backwards as you're moving forward. In any position that you get yourself into, you could get thrown and fall backwards. So you have to learn how to do Ushiro ukemi. You can do it with both hands, but in most cases, in judo especially, you only have one hand to hit. You have to know which one. As you're going down, the worst thing to do is to hold on to that person, because as you go down, you're going to pull them right on top of you, and that's going to hurt considerably. So as you go down, you got to figure out which hand am I going to hit with. You notice how I used the word hit, and no one said anything?
You meant slap? Yeah, you meant slap.
Nope. I'm going to slap you. You're going to receive that slap. So we're going to start first with laying down. See, I'm completely on my back. My head is up. I bring my hands over my face, and you notice that my hands are very relaxed here. And then I'm just going to let them fall. Just like that. I don't have to do that. I don't have to spank the tatami. It didn't do anything to me. All I want to do is make sure that I receive the impact. Because if you've been instructed to hit that mat as hard as you can, oh, guess what? Practice makes permanent, right? You're going to permanently do that, and then when you get thrown, you're going to hit so hard that you're going to injure yourself. See how relaxed? And you notice how my elbows are bent? They're not straight out? Because when they go straight out, my fingers tend to close. They are no longer relaxed. See here? They're relaxed. And just bring it right up. See here? Just like that. Some say, do this. My question is, when you're fighting, are you like this? Go ahead, throw me. No, you're not. You're like this, right? You're like this. If you go like this, look how much time it takes you to hit the mat. So relax. When you hit, exhale. You notice how my hands aren't touching when I bring them up? You notice how my hands, they're like jello. Pow, pow. If you do this, that's what's gonna become permanent. Let the mat come to you. Don't reach out for the mat. So let's try a few hundred more. Okay, ready? High, hit, hit, hit. Good, okay, now sit up. Now you're really gonna relax. You're going to bring your legs up. I'm gonna lean slightly forward and then come back, and as I do, my legs and my hands come up. See? Go like that. How relaxed I am. My toes, you see how my knees are slightly bent? You know, here, okay, ready, hit. Oh, see? You want to relax. Do you sit like this? No. When you sit, see how my legs are nice and relaxed and everything? My fingers are relaxed. I come back, they come up here. And then, when do your hands come down to receive the impact of the mat? When your scapula touches, not too late. Too soon. Goldilocks and the Three Bears. All right, ready, hit. Hit. Good, now squat. Now drop your rear end straight down. Don't push back, okay? And then when you go back, bring your hands up. Okay, ready, hit. Good. For those of you who got a bum knee, one, stick that leg out and then fall back. If you got two bum knees, don't do it. Now, you may smile, you may laugh, but it's really important to practice relaxation. It's very important. And I know from being thrown hundreds of times to practice a night in Japan, learning how to relax allowed me to, sissy.
My knee brace is cutting off.
I know,
circulation of my foot.
that's why I stood up that time. All right.
The reason so is for higher.
All right, good. So now standing. So from this position here, what you're going to do is simply go down into that catcher squat and then roll back. Good, and then stand up. Good. Now some of you can do a kick, which is really good. If you can't, use one hand to push yourself up. All right, hit. Don't cross your legs. Stand up. Push up. Now when you do this, 1, 2, you notice how my knees are over my toes? I want to go 1, 2 here, and I'm going to lower my rear end down. 1, 2, hit. Okay. Now bring both legs up at the same time, not 1, 2. Good, okay, and now backwards, okay? Ready? 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. Good, okay? Now we're gonna go here. Ready? All right, 1, 2, here, and turn and fall back. Okay, so be careful spacing. All right, 1, 2, turn, Ushiro ukemi. Good, hey, I'm back over. And then, of course, what we used to do is 1, 2 here, jump up and throw our legs out and fall. I won't make you do that. That's really hard, but it's a lot of fun. You know what we normally do, walking backwards, high, each knee. Let me show you the correct way to do that. Lots of people go 1, 2, and they do that. Don't do that. 1, 2. You notice how my knees are over my toes? They stay over my toes, and then I lower myself and roll back. So take your time. 1, 2. There we go. Good. Don't run back. Okay, go ahead. 1, 2. Good. Okay. Yeah. So what's the importance of walking back and lowering yourself rather than going like this and falling? Because what's going to happen is this part is going to receive the impact first, right? And for many of us, we have significant padding there. Benito being the exception to the rule. He's all blown. So with that padding, you want to make sure, once again, jita kyoe, mutual welfare and benefit. Well, your body is composed of many parts, right? And they have to take care of one another. That's mutual welfare and benefit, am I right? And of course, with the kids, we'll have someone out here and then we'll have them sit on the back and then fall backwards to teach them how to do that. It also helps you in life. And I've told you the story many times of me walking in Washington, D.C., right, the White House, to go meet my wife, 10 o'clock at night, you know, and just hit that patch of ice and then go back and doing that beautiful Ushiro ukemi. You know, yeah, it hurt, but I didn't get hurt. You know, the next day I'm walking the same place and a guy, you know, slips and he sticks his arm out and breaks his arm. Fortunately, it was right in front of the entrance there to the White House in the back, across from Lafayette Square, if you know where that is. There's police all around there, so they were able to help him right away.
ありがとうございました。